Hi, my name is Alex Phillips, and I'm CIO of NOV. My job is to make sure our IT infrastructure and security enable our business as we power the people who power the world. A few years ago, we began our Zero Trust journey. It's not something you roll out overnight. It's an architectural and mindset shift. One of the most exciting parts of this journey was transforming our network. We relied on a traditional hub and spoke model, an MPLS network connecting data centers, branches, factories, and OT systems. Firewalls and multiple security appliances protected the perimeter, and everything inside was trusted. But trust is what attackers are exploiting. That's why we partnered with Zscaler and began adopting Zero Trust. Our first priority was clear: eliminate MPLS cost while improving user experience. SD-WAN and local internet breakouts help us achieve those goals. But SD-WAN still operates on trust, just like MPLS. It allows ransomware to move laterally. One of the early lessons learned during COVID was that Zero Trust allowed our users to work remotely without the security risk of extending our network to every household via a VPN. That got us thinking, why not bring it to branches and facilities? With the Zero Trust architecture, we realized we didn't need WANs anymore. Each location becomes its own secure island, just like a coffee shop. No complex routing, no firewalls and VPNs, no lateral movement between sites. In addition, Zscaler Zero Trust Exchange acts like a switchboard on steroids. Every access request is verified. There is no implicit trust. Access is granted only if all conditions are met. Factories with IoT devices, CNC machines, and sensors require Zscaler Edge, which routes traffic through the Zero Trust Exchange and eliminates legacy SD-WAN. Traditional approaches to micro-segmentation are all challenging and seem to be never-ending. One of the most innovative capabilities of the Zscaler Edge is Zero Trust device segmentation. It isolates every endpoint, creating a network of one without agents. We all know AI-driven threats are coming, and they're coming fast. They're going to include things unlike anything we've ever seen before. Security solutions must evolve just as quickly. That's why the Zscaler Zero Trust platform and AI-driven approach is critical in keeping us ahead of what's next. We'll need a secure by design architecture instead of one of default trust.